Welcome back to Auto Insider, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Elantra, a sedan that's turning heads with its blend of style, performance, and advanced technology. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone looking for a reliable yet exciting ride, the Elantra might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Hyundai Elantra carries forward the brand's sensuous sportiness design language, and boy, does it make a statement. From the bold front grille to the sharp, angular lines that run across the body, the Elantra looks more aggressive and refined than ever before. The Elantra's coupe-like silhouette gives it a sporty stance, while the redesigned LED headlights and taillights add a modern touch that makes this sedan stand out on the road. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's both futuristic and driver-focused. Hyundai has packed the 2025 Elantra with tech features that are not just cutting-edge, but also user-friendly. One of the highlights is the dual 10.25-inch displays, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for the infotainment system. Both screens are seamlessly integrated, providing you with easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The interior materials are premium, with soft-touch surfaces and available leather seating that makes every drive comfortable. The spacious rear seats and ample trunk space also make it a practical choice for families. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Hyundai Elantra offers a variety of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that delivers a solid balance of power and fuel efficiency, perfect for daily commuting. But if you're looking for something with a bit more punch, the Elantra N-Line might be up your alley. With its turbocharged 1.6-liter engine, you get 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, making it a blast to drive, especially with the available 6-speed manual transmission. The Elantra's handling is sharp thanks to its multi-link rear suspension and sport-tuned chassis. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving through back roads, the Elantra feels agile and responsive. Safety is always a priority, and the 2025 Elantra doesn't disappoint. Hyundai's Smart Sense suite of safety features is standard across the range, offering you peace of mind on every journey. With features like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, the Elantra is equipped to handle the unexpected, keeping you and your passengers safe. So what makes the 2025 Hyundai Elantra stand out in a crowded segment? It's a combination of striking design, advanced technology, and versatile performance options. Whether you're looking for efficiency, sportiness, or a bit of both, the Elantra has something to offer. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Hyundai Elantra. If you're in the market for a sedan that offers style, substance, and safety, the Elantra is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Insider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time. This is Auto Insider, bringing you the inside scoop on the latest cars every week.